Hello students, myself Dr. Naresh Tambe. I am Faculty of Psychology in Institute of Distance and Open Learning, University of Mumbai. This particular recording I'm making to make you aware to give brief about the semester pattern which is newly started in the IDOL. And many of you have questions about exams, about study, about syllabus, about semester pattern. Many questions are there you are asking. So this particular lecture I'm making for this introduction or induction of the particular subject. All right. So I'll share with you a PPT, and in that many informative things are given which we can see. All right, so now you can see my screen, and I'll just put off my camera so that okay, now you can see my PPT, right? Yeah. Okay, so yeah, so this particular lecture is for induction lecture for psychology. I'll speak mainly for psychology because I'm faculty of psychology. All right. So what is the subject name? Your subject name is Fundamentals of Psychology, paper 1. And in Marathi, your subject name will be मराठीमध्ये तुमच्या विषयाचं नाव असणार आहे मानसशास्त्राची मूलतत्वे. ठीक आहे. आता we have to see what is the objective of the subject. If you study this subject, what will understand? You will understand the basic concept of psychology. You will understand, or you will. It is to foster the interest of this particular subject, and it is also to know the different application of this particular subject. So these are the objectives. Let's see in Marathi. याचे उद्दिष्ट काय आहेत? मानसशास्त्राचे मूलतत्व या विषयाचे उद्दिष्ट काय आहे की मूलभूत संकल्पना कुठल्या आहेत त्या जाणून घेणं, या विषयाविषयीची रुची वाढवणं आणि या मानसशास्त्राचं उपयोजन कशा प्रकारे करता येऊ शकतं याच्याविषयीची माहिती तुम्हाला या पेपरमधून या विषयामधून जाणून घेता येणार आहे. Now you are asking about syllabus. So this is the syllabus. There will be 4 module will be there for semester 1. Only 4 module. Okay. Now this 4 module divided into 8 units. So these 4 module: history of psychology, biology of mind, learning and memory. We can see in Marathi also. हे 4 चॅप्टर आहे जे तुम्हाला सेमिस्टर 1 ला अभ्यासायचे आहेत. मानसशास्त्राचा इतिहास, मनाचे जीवशास्त्र, अध्ययन आणि स्मृती. हे चारही चॅप्टर पुढे 8 मॉड्यूल मध्ये डिवाइड केलेले आहेत. We can see these 8 modules. For module 1, 2 units. For module 2, 2 units. For module 3, 2 units. And for module 4, 2 units. So total 8 units you have to study for exam. Same in the Marathi also, 8 units you have to study for exam. Important thing that now we have separated books for semester 1 and for semester 2. So in your book, this much content will be there for study. So need not to worry about it. Don't have to be impatient. Don't have to be worried what to study and what not to study. Whole small book you have to study. आपण पुस्तकाचं 2 भागात विभाजन केलेलं आहे, सेमिस्टर 1 साठी आणि सेमिस्टर 2 साठी. त्यामुळे सगळंच तुम्हाला अभ्यासायचं असणार आहे. तुम्हाला काय टाळायचं काय नाही टाळायचं हा प्रश्न असता कामा नये. ठीक आहे. So scheme of examination what? Now for psychology I'll speak that actually all subject 100 marks only. So semester 1 your paper will be for 100 marks except foundation course. All subject will be for 100 marks, but I'll speak for psychology. Semester 1 will be for 100 marks. Semester 2 will be for 100 marks. Okay. Semester 1 आणि semester 2 दोन्ही तुम्हाला 100 मार्काच्या एक्झाम्स एका वर्षामध्ये 2 एक्झाम्स असणार आहे. Passing standard what it is 40%. You have to get 40 marks out of 100. Then you can, or 40 or more to get passing. You have to get 40 or more. Then you can pass. All right. तुम्हाला 100 पैकी किमान 40 मार्क्स मिळायला पाहिजे पास होण्यासाठी. All right. Now these are the grading system. So it is semester pattern, choice based credit system. So you will get credited. You will get grades. All right. So grades, and it is, if you get O grade means how much percentage you got, how much marks you got. If you get A grades, how much percentage you got or marks you got. That you can see this table to understand this. You can take the screenshot of it for your immediate reference. All right. Then you are asking about the exams pattern. So this is general exam pattern we follow usually. We are following it. That 5 questions will be there. for each semester end exam for psychology. I'm talking, okay, for psychology, 5 questions, compulsory, all 5 questions of 20 marks, and you will get internal choice within it. So question A or question 1, in that you have to attempt only one. You are getting 3 options. For 2, for 3, same. Only for question 5, you will get 4 options. Out of 4 options, you have to attempt 2. All right. So this is the pattern. But this pattern is our usual pattern because we are now in pandemic. Is this pattern we are going to follow? So answer may be no, because we may have exam in MCQ, or okay. So we have to wait for government giving instruction for that. All right. So, but this is the pattern you should know. Then you have to study accordingly. You have to study accordingly. That is important. हा आपला एक्झामचा पॅटर्न असतो. त्याच्यामध्ये 5 प्रश्न आहेत. 5 प्रश्न कंपल्सरी असतात आणि 5 प्रश्नांपैकी तुम्हाला 5 प्रश्नांच्या आतमध्ये इंटरनल चॉईस असते. तर त्याच्यातले तुम्ही पहिल्या प्रश्नामध्ये 3 ऑप्शन आहेत, 3 पैकी 1 असं प्रकारचं स्ट्रक्चर असणार आहे आणि ते स्ट्रक्चर तुम्ही त्याप्रमाणे फॉलो करायचं आहे. फक्त क्वेश्चन 5 मध्ये 4 ऑप्शन देतात आणि 4 पैकी तुम्हाला 2 अटेम्प्ट करायचे असतात. याचे तुम्ही स्क्रीनशॉट काढून घेऊ शकता फॉर युअर रेफरन्स. ओके. Now you can see you ask me exams and all. So this is the tentative plan, academic plan of your academic year, semester 1 and semester 2. You can take screenshot of it. You're asking me about examination semester 1 examination. You are asking. So it is IDOL is planned second week of March. Okay, this is approximate. This can be up and down is possible, but this is approximate idea that second week of March exams will be there for semester 1. It may go ahead. It may let's see. They may postpone, they may not, but we have to keep in mind that our exam will be in the March, middle of March. All right. This is a tentative plan for you. Then you were asking me many questions. I'll now just stop sharing my screen, and you have many questions which I have requested on this thing on Telegram group, and you have asked me many questions. So some of the questions I may have not answered in this PPT. So those questions I'll see now. You have asked me exams what way, whether it is online or it is MCQ or it is theory. These were your questions. So answer is, for semester 1, most probably we are going with MCQ. University is going with MCQ online examination. Most probably I'm saying, okay. So what is your task? You should study as we are studying for regular examination. That way you study. All right. So exam will be whatever way, whether it's MCQ or whether it is theory paper, you should be ready to answer. So you study accordingly. All right. Then how many time exam will be there in the year? This is a question someone was asking. So semester, in the semester pattern, in each academic year there will be 2 semester. Okay. So 2 semester, it means 2 examinations in 1 academic year. Okay. So first semester you have to give 1 exam for 100 marks. Second semester also you have to give 1 exam for 100 marks. All right. Then you are asking me syllabus. Which syllabus is there? I have given that photo of syllabus in the PPT. You can see that. Question was for PCP lectures also. PCP lecture will be there or not? Online lectures will be there or not? These kind of questions were there. So what I have decided for psychology, that it is another instruction for from our authorities also, that to record the lecture and to give you those all recordings either on Google Classroom or on Telegram group. Okay, so we are following that. We will record the lectures for each chapter and we will give you on Telegram group also, as well as on Classroom also, Google Classroom also. Question was asked, somebody asked that, can we refer questions from textbook? After each chapter there are some questions for study. So of course you can study those questions. You can study those questions for you have to, if you consider that your exam is theory paper. Okay, so you can study those questions also. These are for practice. You can practice it. All right. Availability of book. The question was for availability of book. Yes, so far I think book is not available. Hard copy is not available, but on website there is a soft copy available. In semester pattern way we have divided book. So for semester 1, book is there available in soft copy on our website. You can download it and you can start studying. All right. Some people were asking me, we have paid fees and then why we are not getting book. So my dear students, let me tell you, your book cost is not part of your fees. We provide books as a complementary to students, but still we consider that we understand the importance of books and we have concern about it, so we have immediately made it available soft copy to study. You please download it and study. When hard copy will come, you can receive it and you can start studying. But don't waste your time for hard copy. You can simply study from the soft copy also. Then there's a question for yearly pattern or semester pattern. One question was that which pattern, the question like that keep, there are both books are available on website, yearly pattern also and semester pattern also, which book we should follow. So this question not supposed to come, because you all are fresh students and you fresh students are in semester pattern only. Okay, both books are available. Maybe for old students, those who are not clear, those who are having ATKT, for them it may be available. But you all are fresh students. For you, semester pattern only and not yearly pattern. Okay, make it please clear in your mind about it. There was a question for video lectures. For which chapter? The question was that I have shared some videos, and the question was those all video lectures are for which chapter. So dear students, I have shared almost 20 recordings of 15 minutes. Okay, out of it 8 recordings for chapter 1. There were name also given. Then 4 recordings for chapter 2, 4 recordings for chapter 3, and 4 recordings for chapter 4. So total there were 20 recordings. I have purposefully requested professors to make the recordings for 15 minutes only, so that you should not get bored. Your screen time should not be extended unnecessary. And if you want to study particular chunk only, particular point only, for that particular point, you don't have to listen whole entire video of 1 hour. And that's why I have divided into 15 minutes, so that a study will become interesting, should not become boring. So that I have taken care while recording also. Question was for Google Classroom, that I have made Google Classroom and many of you are not getting access into it. So what to do? These questions you have asked. Not to worry, if you are getting access is good. All activity which will be there on the Google Classroom, same all activity we will make it here on the Telegram group also. So if because of some technical error, if you're not getting access there, Telegram group is available. You can join here, you can follow here, and you can study here from whatever recording I am sharing with you. All right. For both, there is a question about, do we have to visit IDOL for collecting books? Yes, once book will be ready, you have to once physically come here and you have to collect your books. So that is one time you have to definitely come here. There's a question also for the assignment. Do we have to give assignment? So answer is no, because our question paper will be for 100 marks. Okay, that assignment pattern will be there only for foundation course, not for psychology and maybe not for other subject also. Okay, then yeah, notes. There was a question was, can we get notes? So I would like to tell you, you don't have to take any notes from anybody. I will also request you to not go to any tuition classes also. Whatever idol is providing you book for study, that book you consider as notes only. That book you consider as your study material, and you study from that only. Once you study the book, once you started watching the lectures, video lectures, you will understand everything easily. And even if after reading book, after watching the video, even if you have some doubt, I am available here in idol. to help you, to guide you. You can come, you can always come and visit me for study related any queries. I can help you. All right. So this is all about the question you were asked and some important information which I supposed to give you. I have given here, I have recorded now, and I hope I have answered all your questions. So I am again requesting you that if you have any doubt regarding subject, regarding statistics of psychology, you can come and you can visit anytime. Wish you all the best. Thank you so much.